What is going on today, guys? We're out here in the most windy part of Colorado, it feels like. Jett's here. He's going to be helping us try and get the truck working enough that we can drive it into Longmont to get it fixed. So he's on his way. There he is right there. We're gonna get the truck moved into the garage, and then hopefully that'll give us a quieter place to work on it.
This is sort of what we need to adjust. And then, do you know which one is for the RPM adjustment? Oh, that one right there. So,
I can go try and find a shorter one too if you need.
Turn it on?
Just turn it.
Do you need like power?
Yeah, you gotta give it a little bit of gas, but not a lot. There you go.
It's idling at like 450. Right now, we should try to let it warm up a little bit.
Okay.
So go to the screw on the far right on the throttle and try it just a tiny bit, turning it one way.
Okay.
Which way do you go?
Clockwise.
And how much?
About a quarter turn.
Good. Try doing another like half turn.
Okay.
That's good. It just raised it by like 50 RPM. Now that it's like idling fine, we should turn the left one clockwise and do like a tiny bit, and then I'll tell you when to stop. Okay.
Yeah. What?
Back, like, how far did you go?
About 3/4 of a turn.
I'd say go back like half that.
Throttle goes down. This one goes up. Yeah. Okay.
Try going back on the RPM.
Okay. Okay. Oh, oh. The middle one, I cranked it until you told me, and then I went back about half a turn.
So did it spin counterclockwise or clockwise?
I was turning it clockwise until then I turned it back counterclockwise.
It kind of smells like it's running red, right?
Yeah.
You want to try going the left one clockwise a tiny bit.
Okay.
Like a quarter turn.
Okay.
You're at like, I don't know, 600.
Okay.
Which is started at like 500, so.
Just do that a little bit more.
At 400, so that's a lot better.
It smells much better now.
Yeah, I'm just saying it's probably running rich, so that's why I'm saying go forward.
Yeah.
Want to do that again on the left one?
Yep. Raise the RPM. Lean it out. Back a little bit.
What was that?
I did about 1/8 of a turn, a little bit, and then gave it a little bit more on RPM.
I mean, it's running fine. It's at like 830 RPM, which is pretty normal.
Yeah.
So
it sounds definitely closer to normal now.
Yeah.
I guess it was just running jacked from previous owner.
Pretty much the main thing that you changed was just the idle RPM thing. Yeah, it's right at full. And it's like pretty much
Dirty.
dirty. It's not as bad as Explorer. That right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, I saw those wires.
Yeah, I gotta redo that.
Oh yeah, it's working. It's good.
Okay.
Give it like a minute or two. Okay, let's try this. See. Perfect. So you gotta pull it, that white one. Yep.
Pull up?
Pull
back?
Just pull back towards you.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Nope.
Ooh, that brake is also not powered.
Nope. There is no power anything on this.
If you crash, your face goes into the hard wheel.
Yes.
Okay, so
Brake, clutch, all the way to the right. So slam it, then down. That's reverse. You have to let the clutch all the way out, like, yeah. It's got no movement.
Okay.
And then put it into second. So it's, and then down.
Down?
Yep.
Oh boy.
Yep.
See, my dad was complaining about the no power steering on the E30. Oh, it feels like I'm gonna
Stall it or something, yeah. Or jump it. There you go.
It feels so awkward. What happened to first gear?
It works, it's just so beyond torquey that we don't use it.
And there's like no feel for the RPM at all.
Nope.
But
That's turn signal. It kind of works. I think we're just gonna like resort to hand signals.
it's driving fine for what it is.
Yeah, that's neutral.
Oh,
That's third. There you go. There's no
how do
cops
I
here.
downshift?
Kind of just,
Guess.
yeah.
Is that first?
That's first to second. Or that's neutral.
Okay.
Yeah, nope. You're not
Wait,
making that.
So how do I get into second? I can't.
Slam it.
Is that?
Nope. You have to rev match. I don't think there's synchros in this. Or if there are synchros, they're completely shot.
Because I can't feel it going into a gear.
So, nope.
Yeah.
So it's dashboard and seat are the gears is what we've basically.
I'm so confused. Okay, I'm gonna stop here and try to get it into second.
You can get it into second at a stop. I don't know if it's possible to get it into second while it's moving.
So basically, once you get going, you have to either stop or not slow down.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now you're in neutral.
So when you go around a turn, you have to go fast enough to keep it in. But now that I'm used to it, I can start like going.
That was 3,000 RPM and it sounded. That's neutral. That's
so
third.
awkward going into gear when you can't feel what the gear is.
Yeah.
Do you know how much power it has?
I think from the factory they were about 150 to 200-ish, but I don't know what they have now, what it has now, and if it's got stuff or not. That's the backfiring. Yeah.
Now
Just push it all the way to the floor. You have to push it even further. Like, there you go.
Dude, this car feels like I'm gonna break it whenever I do anything.
Yep. Welcome to the 70s.
We're like just on
I mean, you didn't get on the grass, which is the important thing. So we're gonna try it again.
Yeah.
Cool.
And we just tell me, like, yell if it starts going down in RPM. Okay.
Okay. I'll also give it a little bit of gas so you can hear. You'll see if I give gas.
Yeah.
It's gonna stall.
What?
It was about to stall there.
Is it? What is it at now?
It was dropping down to about 500.
Or is it?
It's
steady?
just above. It's steady, just above 500. I raised the RPM. That's as far as it'll go.
I 850 to 900 now.
Yeah, that's because I raised the RPM as well.
I mean,
Yeah,
that seems pretty good to me.
we'll see if it keeps backfiring. It's doing a little bit, but not as much.
Wait, is this diesel?
No.
Okay, good.
Cool. Good enough. At least we can make it to the shop. Yeah, I think it's just as it heats up, the tolerance has changed. Maybe. We're gonna leave it like that for now. I gotta put these screwdrivers back. I just realized. Screwdriver. Is the other screwdriver in here? Where'd I put the other screwdriver? I've lost a screwdriver. Oh, let's put this back.
If it doesn't start up again,
Yeah.
because like we made it too lean or whatever, once it's cold, just
Counterclockwise?
counterclockwise on both the middle and then also on the RPM, so
Okay.
it doesn't.
Like shoot up to like 3,000 on start.
So I mean that should be better if it
Yeah.
doesn't go.
Okay. Thank you.
Hopefully it works fine now.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. So Jett fixed it mostly. We fixed it enough that we can get it to the shop for sure. And then the shop, they have an opening March 18th. And then on March 18th, this will go to that and will be fixed. Theoretically, hopefully. So if you liked this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And in the comments, I have a question for you all. Do you have a project car that is like a complete mess that you want to try and get fixed up? And if so, what is that car? Until next time, goodbye.